Dear students, already we have learned laws of exponents. So, in this class, we are going to practice some questions based on laws of exponents. So, let's revise. Here, question is this: we have to evaluate. So, 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 4, and we have to simplify all these. Now, 2 by 3 whole square, that is equal to 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. That's equal to 3 raised to the power 4, and we have to add all these three fractions. 27 is the LCM. Now 3 9 3s are 27, so 4 3s are 12 plus 3 9s are 2 9s are 18 minus 8. Now that is equal to 3 raised to the power 4 into 12 plus 18 minus 8, that's equal to 22. Upon 27 we can write as 3 raised to the power 3 cubed. That's equal to 3 raised to the power 4, and this one we can divide here, 3 cubed into 22, that is equal to 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 cube, that's equal to 3 raised to the power 1, and that's equal to 3 into 22, that is equal to 66. Now next number, we have to evaluate this one. 1024 is 2 raised to the power 10. So 2 raised to the power 10 and 243, that's equal to 3 raised to the power 5. Now whole raised to the power 3 by 5, that is equal to 2 raised to the power 10 whole raised to the power 3 by 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 5 whole divided by 3 by 5, that is equal to 2 raised to the power 10 and 3 by 5 we can reduce and it becomes 2. So here 2 raised to the power 6, and the denominator is 3 raised to the power this 5 into 3 by 5, this 5 reduced, and 3 cube, that's equal to 3 raised to the power 6 equal to 64, and 3 cube equal to 27. So this is the answer. Next, find the value of this. Now 2 raised to the power 4 plus 2 cube equal to whole raised to the power 2 by 6. First you have to evaluate. First you have to simplify. 2 raised to the 2 fourth equal to 16 plus 2 cube equal to 8 whole raised to the power 2 by 6, that's equal to 24 whole raised to the power 2 by 6. Now 24 equal to 8 3s are 24 and whole raised to the power 2 by 6. And 2 by 6 we can simplify and we can write. Okay, first let us do 8 2 cube into 3 whole raised to the power 2 by 6, and 2 by 6 we can write as 1 by 3 also, 1 by 3. Now 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 1 by 3 into 3 raised to the power 1 by 3, and that is equal to, now this 3 we can reduce, and 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 by 3, 3 raised to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to, now let's find the value of this expression. 25 square, that's equal to 625 minus 15 square equal to 225, and 4 raised to the power 3 by 2, and that's equal to 400, and 400 raised to the power 3 upon 2, and that is equal to, now 400, how can we write 400? 400 we can write 20 square and 3 by 2. Now already we have learned power of power, that's equal to, we have to multiply 22 into 3 by 2, and that's equal to, now we can reduce this to, so 20 cube, that's equal to 8000. 2 to the 4 to the 8, and for 1 0, for single 0 we have to put triple zeros. Now next number, 33 square minus 32 square, sorry 31 square, whole raised to the power 5 by 7. Now 33 square equal to 1089, minus 31 square equal to 961, whole raised to the power 5 by 7. Now if we are subtracting 1089 and 961, we are getting 128. Now 128 whole raised to the power 5 by 7, and that's equal to, 128 is equal to 2 raised to the power 7, and whole raised to the power 5 by 7. Now it's also power of power, that means both the exponents will be multiplied, 7 into 5 by 7, and here we can reduce this to 7, and we are getting 2 raised to the power 5, and 2 raised to the power 5 equal to 32. This is the answer. Next, if a b c equal to 0, find x raised to the power 0 whole raised to the power b whole raised to the power c equal to c. If a plus b, sorry, a into b into c equal to 0, that means either a equal to 0, or b equal to 0, or c equal to 0. So let us write the expression x raised to the power a raised to the power b and raised to the power c. Here we have to, this also power of power, that means x raised to the power a into b into c, and already we have learned that a raised to the power, here if a into b into c equal to 0 already given, so x raised to the power 0 and x raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Here if x is a non-zero in number, then its power 0 is equal to 1. Already we have learned this one. Now negative 1 whole raised to the power 301. Always when there is one negative number and its exponent is one odd number, then its value will be negative. So negative 1's odd number power is equal to negative 1, and plus it is even power means positive 1, plus here it will be negative 1. In this way up to 400, that means we have to add up to how many, 301 to 400, how many are there, 100. So at last we are getting positive 1, and here 1 negative 1 and positive 1, it becomes 0. Here also it is 0. So after that, when even number of positive pairs are there, that means we are getting always at last 0. Here 3 raised to the power x equal to 6561, then what is 3 raised to the power x minus 3? Here 3 raised to the power x equal to 6591. So 300, sorry, 3 raised to the power x minus 1, sorry, minus 3, that's equal to, when we are subtracting the exponents, when we are dividing, so 3 raised to the power x divided by 3 raised to the power 3 or 3 cube, and it is given already, 3 raised to the power x already given, That's equal to 3 raised to the power x. In place of 3 raised to the power x, we can write 6591 and divided by 3 cube is 27. Now we can reduce and we can write, then it is 243. Or we can write 3 raised to the power x equal to 6591. This is the power of 3 raised to the power 8. This equal to 3 raised to the power 8. So in place of this also we can write 3 raised to the power 8 upon 3 raised to the power 3 or 3 cube, and that's equal to 3 raised to the power 8 minus 3, that's equal to 3 raised to the power 5, and 3 raised to the power 5 equal to 243. Same. When we are multiplying these two expressions, here a raised to the power negative 1 and plus 3. Here b raised to the power minus 2 and plus 2. C raised to the power 3 and plus 1. Here C nothing is there means its power is 1, divided by 12 a raised to the power 2 a square, C to the power 4 and b. Now 6 2s are 12, 2, so numerical factor only 2 remain, and a raised to the 3000, that means let us 3 raised to the power x find, that's equal to 1 upon 3000. Now what is given the expression we have to solve. 10 raised to the power 3 10 cube into 3 raised to the power 2x plus 3, that is equal to 10 cube into, when we are getting 2x plus 3, we can split this one, this expression, 3 to the power x into 3 raised to the power x into 3 raised to the power 3, so that we can add, when we are simplifying we can add x plus 3 and we are getting 2x plus 3. Now we have simplified this expression. Now that's equal to 10 cube into, already we have got 3 raised to the power x equal to 1 by 3000. So in place of 3 raised to the power x we can write 1 upon 3000 into, here also 1 upon 3000 into 3 raised to the power 3, that is equal to 10 cube and into, and this equal to 1 upon 3000 equal to 3 into 10 cube into 1 upon 3 into 10 cube into 3 cube, and that is equal to, now this 3 cubed and 3 cube, no, this one we can reduce, and 3 3, and now when we are reducing it becomes only 3, that's equal to 3 divided by 10 raised to the power 3. Now we can write 3 into 10 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power minus 3. Sorry, 10 raised to the power minus 3. 10 raised to the power minus 3. This is the answer. Now we have to find the value of this expression. Here these two are, the base are same, so we can write negative 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power, and these expressions are divided with the same base, so 2 minus 3, when dividing we are subtracting the exponents, plus here 4 by 9 is square of 2 by 3, but here the negative sign is there, so we have to remove the negative sign first, negative, and 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 2 square divided by 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 2. Now minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 2 minus 3 equal to negative 1, plus here instead of plus we can do here, because it is one negative, so you can here negative also we can use negative, and here 2 upon 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 2 minus 2, or we can directly reduce also this one, and we can simplify. And if negative power, that means it is reciprocal. So 3 upon 2 minus, now this total expressions become, the power become 0, the expression exponent become 0, that means the total expression is 1. Now that is equal to 2 is the LCM, and negative 3, and here negative 2, that is equal to negative 5 upon 2. This is the answer. We have to find the value of a in this expression. Here all those base are different, 4, 16, 32, here 16, that is common is 2. So let us simplify this expression, this total expression, as a base 2. Now we can write here 2 raised to the power 2 square. 4 we can write 2 square, and 4 raised to the power a plus 5. That means we can directly multiply a plus 5 into 16 is 2 to the power 4 into 2a into 32 is 2 raised to the power 5 into 4, it is given, equal to 2 raised to the power 4 into 3a, that is equal to 2 raised to the power 2a plus, now we are simplifying, 10 into 2 raised to the power 4 into 2a, that's equal to 8a into 2 raised to the power 20 equal to 2 raised to the power 12a, implies that now when all the three bases are same, we have to add the exponents. 2 raised to the power 2a plus 10 plus 8a plus 20, that is equal to 2 raised to the power 12a. When both the base are same, we have to equate the both exponents. 2a plus 10 plus 8a plus 20, that's equal to 12a. Both the exponents are equal. Now we can solve. 2a plus 8a, 10a. Now 10a minus 12a, that is equal to 10a. Here negative 20, negative 10, implies that negative 2a equal to negative 30, implies that a equal to negative 30 upon negative 2, implies that a equal to 5 is the answer. Now we have to evaluate this expression. Here already we have learned that a square number is sum of consecutive odd numbers, and how many odd numbers are added, that is the square of that number. Here how many odd numbers are added, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the 8 square. This total expression is 8 square, and whole raised to the power 5 by 6. Now 8 square equal to 64. Now 64 raised to the power 5 by 6, and 64 is 2 raised to the power 6, and 4 raised to the power 5 by 6. Now power of power means 2 raised to the power 6 into 5 by 6, and that is equal to, now we can reduce 6 and 6, 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power 5 equal to 32. This is the answer. Now we have to simplify this one. Here the cube, this total expressions cube is there, and this expression square is there. Now we can directly x raised to the power 3 square, that means it is 9, y raised to the power 2 into 3 6, and z raised to the power 3 upon x square, y 2 to the 4, and z square. Now x raised to the power, we are dividing So we have to subtract the exponents. Y raised to the power 6 minus 4 and z raised to the power 3 minus 2, and that is equal to x raised to the power 7, y to the power 2, and z raised to the power 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Need to write? That's so the expression is this one. Next, if 2 raised to the power x equal to 240, then find the value of this expression. 2 raised to the power x. First you have to write 2 raised to the power x minus 4. As we know that when we are dividing, the exponents are subtracted. So this expression we can write as 2 raised to the power x divided by 2 raised to the power 4. And 2 raised to the power x is given 240 and divided by 2, 3, that's equal to 3 cube whole raised to the power 3. Implies that 3 cube into x raised to the power 4 3s are 12 equal to 3 raised to the power 9. Now 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 12 equal to 3 raised to the power 9 divided by, when it will come this side, RHS, it becomes division. Implies that now we can write this one 3 raised to the power 9 minus 3, and that is equal to 3 raised to the power 6. Now we can convert this one 3 raised to the power 12 as a power of 6. Here we can write in this way, that's equal to 3 raised to the power 6. Here when both the exponents are same, that means base must be same. X square equal to 3. When x square equal to 3, that means x equal to root 3, and this is the answer. Now we have to solve this expression. Let us first solve the numerical factors. 3 into 5 and x minus 2, and here x plus 2. Now y minus 3, y nothing is there means plus 1, z square plus 3 divided by x cube y square z to the power minus 1. Now that is equal to 3 5s are 15 and x raised to the power negative 2 and positive 2, it becomes 0, and here we have to take, so it's minus 3, and minus 3 plus 1, that's equal to minus 2, and here it is going negative 2. Now z raised to the power 5, and here it is plus 1, negative 1, it becomes positive 1, that's equal to 15 x raised to the power minus 3 y raised to the power minus 4 and z raised to the power 6. We have to arrange all these four numbers. 6 raised to the power minus 3, that's equal to 1 by 6 cube, and 1 by 6 cube equal to 1 upon 216. 4 raised to the power minus 3 equal to 1 upon 4 cube, and that is equal to 1 by 64. Oh, 5. 5 raised to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 5 cube, that's equal to 1 by 125. And 3 raised to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 3 cube, and that's equal to 1 upon 27. Now, as we know that with the same numerator, if the denominator is less, that one is bigger. Here we have to arrange it ascending order. That means we have to first write the smallest number. Which one is smallest number? When here is the numerator, denominator is biggest, so it is the smallest number. So 6 raised to the power minus 3 is less than, next one is 5 raised to the power minus 3 is less than 6 raised, sorry, 4 raised to the power minus 3 is less than 3 raised to the power minus 3. Vicky scored X marks. Rakesh scored X cube marks. The product of their marks is 256. Now we have to find their marks. Score of Vicky is X and Rakesh is X cubed. And their product is 256. Implies that X into X cube equal to X raised to the power 4. Here X means X to the power 1. So we have to, after adding, we are getting X raised to the power 4 equal to 256. And 256 we can write as 4 raised to the power 4. When both the exponents are same, that means base must be same. Implies that x equal to 4. When x equal to 4, it is score of Vicky, and score of Rakesh is x cubed, that is equal to 4 cube equal to 64. Now score of 4 and Rakesh is 64. Now in this way we can solve the problems based on exponents and powers. Hope everyone understood. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.